Welcome. In this video, we'll go over how to unprotect your videos on X, also known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If your videos are currently protected and only visible to approved followers, this quick guide will show you how to make them public again. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to adjust the video visibility settings. Once you're on the homepage, look for the More icon on the left-hand sidebar. It looks like 3 small dots in a circle. Click on it to open a menu with different options for your account. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control everything related to your account, privacy, and content preferences. Now, on the left side of the screen, choose Privacy and Safety. This section manages how your content is shared and who can interact with it. Here's where you'll find the setting for protecting your videos. Under Privacy and Safety, select Audience, Media, and Tagging. You'll now see different sections related to how your posts and media are shared. Find the option titled Protect Your Videos. If this option is checked, it means your videos are currently protected and only your approved followers can view them. To make your videos public again, simply uncheck the box next to Protect Your Videos. After unchecking it, your videos will be accessible to anyone on X, just like your public posts. It's that easy. Before closing the Settings tab, review your privacy preferences to make sure everything looks right for how you want to share content. That's it. You've successfully unprotected your videos on X using the web version on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials on managing your X settings.